Resetting a WordPress website can help start fresh or remove unwanted data while retaining your WordPress installation. Here's how to reset your site. Using a plugin. Install a reset plugin. Go to Plugins, Add New in your WordPress dashboard. Search for a plugin like WP Reset or Advanced WordPress Reset. Install and activate it. Reset your website. Navigate to Tools, WP Reset. Review the settings carefully. Type reset or follow the plugin instructions to confirm the reset. Click the reset button to clear all site data, including posts, pages, and settings. Themes, plugins, and WordPress core remain installed. Reconfigure your site. Reinstall necessary themes or plugins. Start customizing from a clean slate. Manual reset. Delete database tables. Access your hosting control panel or PHP-MyAdmin. Drop all WordPress database tables and create a new database. Reinstall WordPress. Download WordPress from WordPress.org. Upload it via FTP or your hosting panel. Run the installation process.